Marhaba, this is Razan. This lesson is Arabic expressions number 16. And we will learn it seems or it looks in Arabic. Yalla, let's start. It seems, باين على, literally appear on. باين على. For example, باين على رزان إنه زعلانة. Razan seems sad. Literally appear on Razan that she's sad. باين على رزان إنها زعلانة. باين على رزان إنها زعلانة. Now the word على must take the appropriate possessive adjective suffixes as follows to give the following meaning. He seems باين عليه. باين عليه. She seems باين عليها. باين عليها. They seem باين عليهن. باين عليهن. I seem باين علي. باين علي. You seem to a man باين عليك. باين عليك. You seem to a woman باين عليكي. باين عليكي. You seem plural باين عليكن. باين عليكن. We seem باين علينا. باين علينا. For example, باين عليه مبسوط. He seems happy. Literally appear on him happy. باين عليه مبسوط. Another example to negate this sentence. باين عليه مو مبسوط. He doesn't seem happy. Literally appear on him not happy. باين عليه مو مبسوط. Example talking to a man. باين عليك كتير تعبان. You look very tired. Literally appear on you very tired. باين عليك كتير تعبان. The reply is لهال درجة باين علي. To this extent, to that extent it shows, or as this much it shows. لهال درجة باين علي. Now another example talking to a woman. Let's say I'm asking Sarah. Sarah, قديش عمرك? How old are you? قديش عمرك? The reply is, she would say, عمري 50. I'm 50. عمري 50. Then I would say, reply to Sarah and say, ما شاء الله, مو باين عليكي. Wow, you don't look it. You don't it doesn't show. ما شاء الله, مو باين عليكي. Now example talking to a plural. Let's say I'm talking to my children. I would come and say, باين عليكن نعسانين. يلا, روحوا ناموا. You look sleepy. Go to bed. Literally means appear on you, sleepy, come on, go sleep. باين عليكن نعسانين. يلا, روحوا ناموا. Now let's have expressions recap. It seems باين. On على. Happy to a man or as a man مبسوط. Tired, also masculine form, تعبان. Very, كتير or a lot. To, لا. That extent, هالدرجة. How old or how much, قديش. Your age to a woman, عمرك. My age, عمري. 50, 50. Wow, ما شاء الله. Not, مو. You sleepy, plural, نعسانين. Come on, يلا. Go to a plural, روحوا. sleep. Plural, ناموا. Here is pronunciation notes and some translation notes. Please read it at your leisure. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoy it. Yalla bye.